We're going to look at convex lenses now. They're bowed out. They're bowed out on both sides, so they're often called biconvex lenses. These are semicircular lenses, just like the mirrors, but they're made out of semicircles from two different circles, like that and this way. So I measured and found our lab ones were about a 20 centimeter center. 20 centimeter diameter. So the center was about 10 centimeters over. This took a little bit of time, but I have no friends, so at lunch I can just draft circles till I match the lens. It's kind of sad and pathetic, but I am 54. So if we intersect these two, we get this shape here. So what do we call the center of a lens? Where is it? Is it this center or is it that center? It turns out, you're going to find out by experiment, the center is actually dead smack in the middle of the lens itself, which makes sense because it's the average of the two positions on either side. This gives us our convex lens. What if we want a concave lens? Well, what we do then is we move these circles out from each other like this. And we're now going to get a shape between the two circles. The easiest way to do that is like this. I'll go in here like this, and I'll match just like that. Now you can see the shape inside here. If I cut this out, this sort of hourglass shape is our biconcave lens. And if the program would cooperate with me, I could cut it out like I did. But for some reason, if you see the little pip here is not turning the right color for me. So let me see if I can get this. And we'll do arrange, convert to curves, arrange, shaping, and sometimes this will work. Front minus back. There we go. There's my biconcave lens. So again, it was formed with a circle that had a center on this side and a circle with a center on this side. So our center of the lens will be smack in the middle. And what you're going to be doing is setting up the exact experiment as before, but you'll be using one of these lenses. And you'll put the lens in the middle of the page like this, and you're going to send in beams of light from one side, and you should see a remarkable correspondence to the mirrors. The nice thing is, these are the easiest rays of all to draw, because instead of bouncing back and making the ray diagram complicated, the rays will go straight through, and you'll find it's a lot easier to draw. Just make sure your lens is centered on the page, or it's going to be a nightmare.